I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. Laugh at yourselves. Laughter is one of the great healing techniques. Each time you go through one of these processes, you look funny. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. The violet flames are dancing in the palms of your hands. You have activated them. Hold the palms up again and imagine the flames dancing in the tips of your fingers and the palms of your hands. Those violet flames have been activated by you at different times, and we have been calling on them, practicing them in our weekly meetings, practicing them on the full moons, practicing with this energy vibration of the violet flame through your own connection with it. Right now, recognize that you may not use it every day, but you have used it once or twice, and therefore it exists within you. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Just go ahead and repeat my name, Saint Germain, and violet flame, however way you wish. You may sing it, you may chant it. Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Transmutation takes place inside your blood, inside your cells, inside the very being and fibers of your bodies. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Tap your thumb and pointer finger together on both hands, and then tap your middle finger and your ring finger and your pinky finger and go back to your pointer finger. Just begin to tap those, and as you tap them, imagine that you are activating the violet flame in each fingertip. The violet flame will be a very great asset and tool for you, a very great application, if you would, for you to use, or a very great accessory. Imagine tucking the violet flame into your purse as you go out into the world, or your pocket, or wearing it on your head, or on your fingers like rings, or around your wrists like bracelets. The violet flame, think of it as something that you can carry with you and transmutate energy. The world around you is in the process of changing, and that is a good thing. Open your hearts and open your vision and see the changes coming to the earth now. Understand that the world is changing, and what needs to change, most importantly, is your perception of things. Without the vibration of fear, the perception changes. You can see the transmutation taking place before your eyes. You can see the energy opening. You can see the transmutation taking place. You can see the miracles. The miracle pattern and vibration is very, very, very much in practice in your world right now. And the more you practice being part of that miracle by wielding and using the violet flame, if you are afraid still to use it out in the world, use it within yourself. Transmutate your thoughts, transmutate your fears, transmutate with the energy of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. I give you joy. I give you love. Why worry about things that you cannot change? Why worry at all? The anxiety patterns that are in your systems, in your nervous system, in your mental body and in your emotional bodies and even in the physical bodies come originally from this generator, this fight or flight generator in the system. That is being removed from the blueprint. Does that mean all of a sudden you will be fearless and will not feel it anymore or remember what it feels like? No. You will still have the resonance of it around because you will see those that are still vibrating with it at a high degree. The vibration of fear will actually be stronger on the planet and is stronger on the planet now than it has been in some time, collectively. Yes, there has always been strong vibrations of fear, and there are pockets on the earth where there's a great deal of fear that has accumulated and is being acted out at this time. But the fear vibration is increasing on the planet. The good news about that is it is increasing because it is getting ready for the release. You are part of the release. You are creating a release of this. It's a volcanic thrust of energy, the energy coming up from the bowels of your being through the top of your crown chakra, the energy coming up from the bowels of the earth through the volcanoes, through the geysers, into the sky. Energy eruptions in your body and in your soul. You will weather the storm, and the earth will weather the storm. Simply trust that. Know inside you that the more you let go, the less you resist, the more you become comfortable with the uncertainties, the more you will be able to be here in peace and harmony, and the more you will change your world. I am